Yes, sir. Good evening, all.
I think once we lost him.
No, sir.
He's starting the presentation.
Good evening, all. Yes, this is our elevator pitch. So this is Nikhil Pawar from Pune. We are from farmer background and working on integrated agriculture development project. That is IADP. It is socio-economic development project in agriculture undertaken by our private limited company. So problem we can see there is financial problems faced by farmers in India, and agriculture sector is facing these problems due to deficits in agriculture such as information, skill, credit, market and infrastructure. The solution we are providing to this problem is a web app basically using IT technology. So collecting information from the farmers to survey, add it to the web app and providing them necessary help considering family as unit is guideline of this project. So market size, there are around 15 crore farmer families in India. The key beneficiaries plus 10 per farmer. We want to implement this project at larger level so as to involve 50,000 farmers in it. We will require 5 lakh rupees. We require these funds from donations and CSR requirements. This is from our side.
Hello, sir.
Okay, so when you have mentioned that collecting information from farmers through survey and providing them necessary help. So what kind of help that we are, looking at?
So we are collecting information through web form. Web form will. Can I present this web form now?
Yeah.
So this is basically our form, which is offline. So it is in Marathi. So we have collecting personal information, then family information as how many members are in it, how many students, how many senior citizens. Then financial information such as how much income they earn per year, so how much loans they are having. So how next is we are collecting healthcare information. As who need healthcare help, we are collecting agriculture information. How much land, how type of it. So how many technology you are using. Then side businesses which are doing that is dairy, poultry, animal husbandry, fishery. We are also taking information of education of family members, as how many students are in the family, do they get scholarship, what kind of help they needed, we provide career guidance to them. Then jobs and employment, we are collecting qualifications, their qualifications and recommending them jobs with the help of our collaborating NGO. And self-employment, we are helping consulting help in the self-employment. That is this information we are collecting.
And how are you going to collect this information? This form you will be delivering to these guys? I mean, the farmers, how will they get it? कैसे जाएगा उनके पास?
We are actually, sir, making team of volunteers, which is NSS, National Service Scheme.
Okay.
College level students.
So they will be delivering it, collecting the forms from the farmers, and they will bring it to you.
Yes, sir.
And
Also we are planning to collect it from the web form.
Okay.
We are working on web application and website also.
Okay. So do you have any, other presentation in terms of how exactly you will be doing everything? What will be the revenue that you're looking at? And, how and which all industries or which all partners that you will, register so that, they can provide help to the farmers?
Actually, we are targeting agricultural companies.
All
So
agriculture companies.
agricultural companies which have potential business in farmers, and the farmers also get benefited from it.
So any industries registered yet? Anything happened on this?
Yes, we are working on pilot project consisting of 200 farmers. We are basically doing it at a small scale, so we have targeted startups in agriculture. So few startups are Sensit Out, then Gram Kalyan, then Chalan Foundation. These are the kinds of startups we are approaching at small scale.
I'd like to have more details on this